Good morning, please have a seat.
Good morning, thank you.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Anna Tran. I graduated from ABC University.
Why did you apply for this position?
Because I'm interested in marketing and your company is my favorite.
What experience do you have?
I worked as a marketing assistant for 2 years.
What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking and a good team player.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I'm a bit of a perfectionist.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I can handle stress well.
Why should we hire you?
Because I'm passionate and eager to learn.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I prefer working in a team.
How do you handle conflicts at work?
I listen to others and try to find a solution together.
What are your salary expectations?
I expect a salary based on my experience and skills.
Are you willing to work overtime?
Yes, if necessary.
When can you start?
I can start next week.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, what is the company culture like?
We value teamwork and creativity.
That's wonderful. Thank you for the information.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. I hope to hear from you soon.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the city library. Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's not far from here.
Could you show me how to get there?
Sure. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Do I turn left or right at the intersection?
Turn left at the big traffic light.
Is it close to the supermarket?
Yes, it's right next to the supermarket.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Is there a bus I can take?
Yes, take bus number 5 from the stop over there.
Do I need to cross the street?
Yes, cross at the crosswalk for safety.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
If I get lost, can I call a taxi from there?
Yes, there's a taxi stand in front of the library.
Is the library open on Sundays?
Yes, but only until 5 p.m.
Can I borrow books with my ID card?
Yes, just show your ID at the counter.
Great. Is there a coffee shop nearby?
Yes, there's a nice cafe opposite the library.
Thank you again. I appreciate your help.
No problem, glad I could assist.
Have a great day.
You too. Good luck finding the library. Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, I want to join the gym.
Welcome. Would you like a tour?
Yes, please.
This is the cardio area. Do you like running?
Yes, I usually run on the treadmill.
We also have weight machines over here.
Great, I want to try weight training.
Are you interested in any classes?
Do you have yoga classes?
Yes, yoga is every Tuesday and Thursday evening.
How much does membership cost?
It's 500,000 VND per month, including all classes.
Do you have personal trainers?
Thank you. Can I use the lockers?
Yes, just bring your own lock.
Do you sell water or snacks?
Yes, at the counter by the entrance.
What time does the gym close?
At 10 p.m. every day.
Can I bring a friend?
Yes, we offer guest passes.
How do I sign up?
Just fill out this form and pay at the desk.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any help.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a cold. Can you recommend some medicine?
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not allergic.
Do you have a fever?
No, just a runny nose and cough.
Would you like tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please.
How many days have you been sick?
About 3 days.
Are you taking any other medicine?
No, just vitamins.
Do you want anything for your sore throat?
Yes, something to soothe it, please.
Here are some lozenges. Would you like to try these?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a prescription?
No, I just want over-the-counter medicine.
How often should I take the tablets?
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day after meals.
Should I avoid any food or drinks?
Avoid cold drinks for now.
Can children take this medicine?
No, it's for adults only.
How much is everything?
It's 150,000 VND in total.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Good afternoon, Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
For what dates do you need the room?
From Friday to Sunday this week.
How many people will be staying?
2 adults, please.
Would you like a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Would you prefer a room with a view?
Yes, if possible.
Let me check availability. Yes, we have a double room with a sea view.
That's perfect. How much is it per night?
It's $80 per night, including breakfast.
Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is included.
Can I request a late checkout?
Certainly, we can arrange late checkout until 1 p.m.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, the pool is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Can I cancel the reservation if needed?
Yes, you can cancel up to 24 hours before arrival with no charge.
Okay, please book the room for me.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Your booking is confirmed, Mr. Smith. We look forward to welcoming you.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure. How would you like it cut?
Just a trim, please. Not too short.
Would you like to keep the same style?
Yes, just tidy it up a bit.
Should I wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
Do you want me to cut your bangs?
Just a little shorter, please.
How about the sides and back?
A bit shorter, but not too much.
Do you use any hair products?
Just shampoo, no gel or wax.
Would you like to try a new style?
Not today, maybe next time.
Is the water temperature okay?
Yes, it's perfect.
How often do you get your hair cut?
Every 2 months or so.
Would you like me to blow dry your hair?
Yes, please.
Do you want to buy any shampoo or conditioner?
No, thank you.
Would you like to book your next appointment?
I'll call when I need a cut.
Your haircut is finished. How do you like it?
It looks great, thank you.
The total is 200,000 VND.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly. Do you have your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here they are.
What kind of account would you like to open?
A savings account, please.
Are there any monthly fees for this account?
No, there are no monthly fees.
Can I deposit money today?
Yes, you can deposit cash or a check.
I'd like to deposit $500 in cash.
Sure, please fill out this deposit slip.
How long does it take for the money to show in my account?
Cash is available immediately.
Can I get an ATM card?
Yes, we will send you a card in 5 working days.
How do I set my PIN code?
You'll receive instructions with your card.
Can I use online banking?
Absolutely, I can help you register now.
Are there limits on withdrawals?
There's a $1,000 daily limit for ATM withdrawals.
What should I do if I lose my card?
Call our hotline immediately to block the card.
Do you offer mobile banking?
Yes, you can download our app and log in.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Your account is ready.
Can I get a statement for my account?
Yes, I can print it for you.
Thanks. I'll wait for my ATM card.
No problem. Have a great day. Do you want to go on a trip this weekend?
Yes, that sounds fun. Where should we go?
How about the beach?
Great idea. Which beach do you want to visit?
Let's go to my Key Beach.
Perfect. How should we get there?
We can drive or take a bus.
Let's drive, it will be more comfortable.
What time should we leave?
Early in the morning, maybe at 7 a.m.
How long does it take to get there?
About 2 hours by car.
Should we book a hotel?
Yes, I'll look for a nice hotel near the beach.
What should we pack?
Don't forget swimsuits, sunscreen, and hats.
Should we bring snacks and drinks?
Yes, let's prepare some sandwiches and water.
Do you want to visit any tourist spots?
Yes, we can visit the Marble Mountains nearby.
How about dinner?
Let's try some seafood at a local restaurant.
Should we bring a camera?
Definitely. We need to take lots of photos.
Do you want to invite anyone else?
Maybe ask Linda if she wants to join.
I'll call her now.
Great, let's finalize the plan tonight.
Hi, thanks for inviting me to your house.
You're welcome. Please come in.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work.
Do you live here with your family?
Yes, with my parents and younger brother.
Is this your dog?
Yes, his name is Lucky.
He's so cute.
He loves meeting new people.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read and watch movies.
What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and hiking.
Would you like to watch a movie later?
Sure, that sounds fun.
What movies do you like?
I like comedies and action movies.
Let's watch an action movie together.
Great idea. I'll make some popcorn.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Make yourself at home. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I need to send this package to Ho Chi Minh City.
Would you like standard or express delivery?
How long does express delivery take?
Express takes 1 day, standard takes 3 days.
I'll choose express delivery. Can I track the package?
Yes, you'll get a tracking number.
Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, please write the address and your phone number here.
How much does it cost?
It's 100,000 VND for express service.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Does the package need to be weighed?
Yes, please put it on the scale.
Is it okay to send fragile items?
Yes, but we recommend extra wrapping.
Can I buy a box or envelope here?
Of course, we have different sizes available.
Can you help me pack this?
Sure, I'll wrap it for you.
When will it arrive?
It should arrive tomorrow before noon.
Will someone need to sign for it?
Yes, the recipient will need to sign.
What if nobody is home?
We'll leave a notice and try again.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.